All right, number 5. Be objective, not subjective. Let's try this again. When you are taking notes of your observations, remember that you should be holding off on interpretations during observation time and only recording exactly what is happening without judgments to capture as much detail as possible. If it is observed that child number 1 is taking away a doll from child number 2, describe the interaction as is and resist your urge to color your observations by mentioning that child number 1 is being mean or is being possessive, right? You can always make the interpretation using your notes later. Your goal is to remain objective and just to document everything that's happening as it's happening, all right? Because we really don't know exactly why that child is taking away that doll from the other child, right? It could be a trigger to something. It could be an issue of something that happened at home. They could be upset. Maybe they really love that doll. Maybe there's some kind of attachment to it. There's many things that could have triggered it. Maybe it is the other child, or maybe they are being mean. We don't know. Our goal is to just assess what is happening at that time and then go in and find out the reasons as to why they are acting in this manner, right? By asking the right questions, open-ended questions, and, just being tender with those children, okay? Number 6, focus on the process, not the outcome. It is much less interesting that child number 3 made a painting of a house than how they did it, right? So much more important to know, how did he make that painting? What did he use? Did he hold the paintbrush accordingly, right? Did he hold it in his left hand or his right hand? Was he holding it with his fingertips? Or was it like this, just grabbed all together, right? We want to know where they are in terms of their development. So these things are super important in terms of seeing how far they've grown, what they're learning, where they are in their development, right? This is part of your fine motor skills. How do you hold a pencil? How do you hold a paintbrush, right? How do they make the house? What did they say about the house? How do they describe the house?